Restoration of the Showtec Showfog 1200. I got this machine used at a yard sale, and while it technically still works pretty good, it doesn't look that good anymore. So this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to restore the machine, how to deep clean your fog machine to get the best out of it. On the top you see tear and wear, there's some rust from the fog fluid, but also there's some dust and some other rust on the back of the machine. And in addition, if we come to the front of it, the fog nozzle is pretty dirty and probably clunked and have never been cleaned. So we're going to look into that as well. Moving on, what tools do you need? Phillips screwdriver, pretty simple and straightforward to open all the screws. You need fog machine cleaning liquid. I bought this one at a local shop. You need some cleaning vinegar and some distilled water. And later on some fog fluid, which you've seen in the back. Starting now, just removing all the screws. This will take you roughly a couple of minutes. And then when you have all the screws removed on both sides and on the top, you can start sliding off the cover of the machine. As soon as you lift up the cover, you can look inside. As you can see, there's also quite a lot of dust and rust in the machine. I even found a leaf on the bottom. You see it next to the pump. So the machine probably was used outdoors. And after you have done this, you can move over to prepare it for the first layer of paint. After this, the machine is ready for paint. I removed the nozzle. I'm going to use metal spray paint, sanded down the area, covered it, and now spray painting everything to make it nice and shiny again. While the paint is drying, I created a little holder for the fluid hose. The fluid hose was not really connected within the casing, so I made sure that when the fluid hose is in there, it will hold without blocking the fluid through it. Here you can see it better. It's attached in the machine, so it will make sure that the hose stays in place while not blocking the hose itself. Don't forget the hose connector. As you can see here, make sure you put them on the hose before doing anything else, otherwise it's going to be difficult to do it afterwards. Next, we're going to fill the fluid tank with fog fluid, and we're also going to prepare the cleaning fluid for the fog machine. Beside that, we're going to start to clean the nozzle. I used cleaning vinegar for this, and then just scrub, scrub, scrub. As you can see, it will take off some dirt and debris, and you can also see it on the tissue here. Final step is to prepare the machine, let it heat up, connect the cleaning fluid to the fluid hose, and let the machine heat up. Unfortunately, my machine died during this process. It didn't heat up properly anymore. This can happen especially when the machine is older, in this case, so I cannot use the machine anymore. A new heater would be more expensive than the price that I paid for the machine. Therefore, epic fail, and I'm going to use it for spare parts.